So special thanks to this company for sending me their one cool headband for all sport activities. As you can see, we got like some basketball and soccer and volleyball and surfing going on here. This is exactly what it came in. Special thanks to the company for sending me this 10-pack of sports headbands. And oh, it's got tape on it. So there's 10 of them in here. Wow, different colors. All right, so we got like this one, blue one. I like the white one best. Got a green one. Got a different color blue one, I think. It looks black. I like super dark blue one. Very nice. Let's open up one of these at least. So let's give this one a go. And there it is. Very nice material. Wow. Wow, feels really good in the hands. Like it's super, super soft. But yeah, nice headband, put on, stop your sweat, etc. And they all should feel like this. You get a nice variety, being 10 different colors, and each one of these is a slightly different color. They may look very close, especially these, but they're all different. Even these two look close, but again, different. That should do it for these one cool sports headbands. Again, thanks to the company for sending me these to unbox and show you guys. They're soft and I think would be great sports headbands. So that'll do it for this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.